Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So at this point, YouTube is a pretty large portion of my monthly income. And at this point, most of the income comes from this YouTube channel. However, I do have a secondary YouTube channel with a little over 5,000 subscribers that I have not uploaded to in months. Actually, I take that back. I just put a short little clip that I recently recorded just as test footage and posted onto that YouTube channel. And even though I haven't uploaded any videos onto this channel in several months, it still has been generating some amount of income on a monthly basis. So I decided it'd be kind of cool to show you guys how much money that I'm making on an inactive YouTube account. Okay, so the last real video I uploaded onto this YouTube channel was 4 months ago, and it only got me about 600 views. And I have a bunch of like private videos that I was debating on uploading. Some of them I did release for a little bit, but decided to make them unlisted and private them again. And I recently just posted this video like 7 hours ago, only got 14 views, just a 12-second clip of something that happened. Okay, so I'm going to start posting on this YouTube channel again in addition to my main YouTube channel. So as you can see, within the last 28 days, this channel was able to generate $189. So basically just pulling views off of tutorials that I made a while back. And even though I have not been very active with this YouTube channel, it still has been making me money. So YouTube is definitely a great way to kind of build like a bunch of different channels for passive income. And like I said, my two YouTube channels definitely bring me a decent amount of money on a monthly basis. So as you can see here, within the last 28 days, this inactive channel brought in 26,000 views, almost 27,000 views. And just looking at the views in real time here, you can see within the last 48 hours, it got 1,800 views. And let's just take a look at what's been happening within the last 60 minutes. So within the last 60 minutes, my one tutorial on how to change your name on Warzone got like 15 views. How to withdraw money on Coinbase got like 12 views. And then I have a bunch of other random videos I've uploaded in the past. But yeah, just taking a quick look at what's going on here. So how to withdraw money from Coinbase, almost 500 views with the last 48 hours. How to change your name on Warzone got like 400 views. Something about live blackjack dealer and some of my other poker related videos I've just been getting views. So let's take a little deeper look at what's going on with the revenue here. So like I said, within the last 28 days, $189. So we're taking a look at this monthly breakdown here. So within the last 6 months, how much did this channel make? So September, which is the current month, so far I'm recording this on September 20th. However, it's only showing earnings up to September 18th because YouTube, delays like 2 days just to make sure that it has everything right. But at this point, from September 1st to September 18th, this channel has made $128.81. Last month, I got paid $220, and in July, $199. June, $251. In May, I think I uploaded a Dogecoin related video, which really boosted the channel. So I made $641.99 for that month. And then in April, $484.75. So I definitely think, and here are the top earning videos. How to withdraw money from Coinbase within the last 28 days made me $90. And then that video about Warzone, the Call of Duty game, made $19, so almost $20 within the last 28 days. And a couple of videos like just under $10. So like I said, YouTube has become, kind of quote unquote my little like small business. I'm just been able to consistently generate money on a monthly basis with multiple YouTube channels. And if it's something that you guys want to start getting into, let me know in the comment section below, and I could try to upload some videos to give you guys some tips on how to get your YouTube channel started. What I do personally to try to get views and to get paid on a monthly basis without posting videos on a daily basis. But like I said, I'm going to be trying to post more on this YouTube channel in addition to my secondary YouTube channel as time goes on. I'm still trying to figure out like the main type of videos I want to upload on both channels. So you guys might be seeing different content from me within the next couple of weeks/months just as I'm testing things out. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.